Good day everyone! Mabuhay, mahata na! I'm Krisha P. Dorosa from HPC 311 Kitchen Essentials. Today, I will demonstrate the proper way of sharpening a knife using a manual pull-through sharpener.
These are the materials needed: a manual pull-through sharpener, chef's knife, and a damp towel for stability. I place the sharpener on the damp towel to prevent slipping. I grip the handle of the sharpener firmly with my non-dominant hand. I insert the heel of the knife into the middle slot. I apply gentle downward pressure and pull the blade toward me in one smooth motion, following the curve of the knife. I repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Now, I will test the sharpness using paper. This concludes my demonstration. Always observe proper safety when handling knives. Thank you.